Look at this little baby here. No, he or she gonna be 5 weeks old. I feel like she's a girl because she looks so like her mama. That black band there is a little thing I put on to keep those legs together because right leg's splayed out one day when the baby slipped. Look at that baby. What you want to do? You want to come? You want to come? You want to come, Daddy? Yeah, you want to get up here? You want to get up here, Daddy? Good, baby. Oh, you big baby. You're going to be 5 weeks old tomorrow. Time's just moving now fast, isn't it? You're going to be 5 weeks old. When you going to know how to eat the bird food, huh? When you going to know how to eat the bird food? Baby. Oh, my baby. Oh, my baby. Oh, my. Mwah. Mwah. You're the baby. Look, did your mama? Oh, just give me some food, mama. Just give me some food, mama. Just give me some food. Yes, you're gonna give me some food. I've never had a cockatiel bird baby before, but I've had parakeet bird babies. And they were always eating on their own by 6 weeks. If not by 5 weeks, so this guy ought to be getting it figured out anytime. Who's a sweet bird? Your daddy loves you. Your daddy loves you. My, look at you. How good you are. Look how good you are. Oh, you my baby. You're the baby. You're the baby. Oh, baby, you want to get over there to mama? Yeah, get over there. You can do it. You can do it. Daddy believe in you. Yeah, there you go. Big baby's up there. Big baby's up there. You got big baby up there. Come on, mama, feed me. Maybe Daddy should feed you. Daddy feed you?